Meaning of full-timer.
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 Full-timer. The term full-timer typically refers to someone who works full-time, as opposed to someone who works part-time or is a freelance worker. A full-timer generally works a standard number of hours per week and is entitled to benefits such as paid time off and health insurance. This distinction is often made in the context of employment or when discussing the job market. It is worth noting that being a full-timer does not necessarily indicate a person's level of commitment to their job, as many people work part-time for personal reasons while still being highly dedicated to their work.